What if you could turn any model to tiny parts in just about 1 minute? No Blender or websites required, just a free plugin inside of your Roblox Studio. In order for you to use my plugin, you wanna go to this video's description, press the link and get a plugin. And if you did everything right, head towards your toolbox, to your My Plugins tab, or whatever you wanna call it, and install this. I already have it installed, because I'm the creator of it. Like, can you read my name? By the real Albert Dev. Oh, and I also just use it on a part, which is kind of sad because my GPU just sucks today. So I'm going to be adjusting the voxel size to something like 0.8, and let's find a model, shall we? Let me get this sports car. Oh, and here's the thing. It's not gonna work that well on small models, like it's only going to have 211 parts. Now, the bigger you make the model, the more room it's going to have. So let me just get it real quick so you guys can see the difference. Actually, no, let me make it even bigger. And I'm going to be hitting voxelize. Oh, it already begins. My god. 4,000 parts. Now, here's what the greedy mode does. We actually were in greedy mode. I can read. Now, if we were to disable the greedy mode, the sheer amount of parts is going to spike drastically because it creates parts that no longer adapt to the size of the mesh or whatever you guys want to call them, and it creates a bunch of individual pieces. This system truly shines if you guys are going to be using some low poly models. So I'm going to be hitting low poly house. Why house? Because it's like, dude, the freaking, because the low poly house is just gonna look so beautiful using the voxel. So I'm going to be getting this low poly medieval village. Now I'm going to be making it as big as possible, something like a 0.8. Now you guys can have this giant, like enormous freaking model. Oh, and by the way, don't do the mistake of individually selecting a part and attempting to voxelize. It's not going to work. Like, if I were to just voxelize this spawn location, it's not going to work. You guys only need to voxelize a model. So I'm going to be using the greedy mode, and let me just change the voxel size to 1. I'm hitting voxelize, and let's see if it works. Oh. Yeah, I did its thing. And I'm going to be deleting the model. Actually, why should I settle for a house when I can have a village? Oh my freaking... Wait, ain't this that Genshin Impact village? I have no idea. Let me get a Victorian house. I'm just going to be changing it to something like 0.6. And greedy mode is on. Now we are going to be sitting here for a while. I quickly realized that this was... Oh my god, it's so pretty! Okay, it doesn't really have colors, but... Only 10,000 parts, so... Hold up. Let me just look real quick. Oh, I think it has colors, but I know what's happened. Yeah, Reikis basically messed this up. Because on this type of shapes, it all messes up a little bit. But nevertheless, it still looks cool. Oh, that's so pretty. I like it. I really like it. Well, this is going to be the video for today. I'm going to be seeing you into the next video. See you later. Oh, and also a happy Easter.